morning, everyone. So today I'd like to talk about getting advice. If you have an accountant or a business advisor or an investment advisor or a personal planning advisor, you need to get advice. Do not make decisions before you have talked to a professional or someone who knows that area. And if that professional is charging you for that advice, find a different one. Advice should be free. Okay? Work should be chargeable. There's a huge difference in my mind between work and advice. Yes, experience does factor into whether that advice is going to be good or not. And yes, there is value in that. But your professional should already be collecting fees from you. So advice based on your personal situation should not be chargeable. Okay? It should, and it's not free because you're already paying for it. You're already paying with your year-end fees or your investment fees or your insurance premiums. The example came up that a client of ours lost, I'm not going to say how much because it's crazy, but tens of thousands of dollars when a conversation to me in a matter of 30 seconds would have saved them all of that money. And I'm really, really sad for them because they made a huge mistake and they know it. And they're really sad too. And they've been clients of mine for, well, forever. And it's really unfortunate that they didn't employ me to give them that advice. And honestly, it would have been, hey, we're thinking about doing this. I would have said, bad idea, don't do it. Here's what you should do instead. And it would have saved them a ton of money, a ton of time, stress. It made their life worse, not better. And that's not what life is supposed to be. Life is supposed to get better, not worse. But I mean, we're at a point now where we can't do anything about it. It's done. It can only be fixed in the future. So please, for all you out there that need advice, go get advice. Don't do anything until you know the answer. And the answer isn't what your neighbor told you. Your answer is what a professional in the industry told you. And again, if you pay those people on a monthly or yearly basis, or you have any association with them whatsoever, that advice should be free. Obviously, if you're checking into somebody's office and you've never paid them a dime in the past, maybe that advice isn't free, and I understand that too. So hopefully, professionals don't get mad at me for saying that stuff, but you are billing your clients, your customers each year, so you shouldn't be charging for your advice. So I hope that helps. I hope nobody makes big mistakes like that, devastating mistakes. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.